I just left the Dollar Tree. I haven't been there since 3 days before Christmas. I was blown away with all the new stuff I found. I couldn't resist these bows. I just love this kind of stuff. And I didn't think 3 for $1 were all that bad. And it's almost like a very thin felt. Then you just peel the stickies in the back and stick it to whatever you're going to use it for. Definitely picked up this cutout of the XOs and the heart shapes of the tissue paper. Here's the one that I picked up. I don't even like the scent all that much, but I think the decoration is really cute and I think it will look nice once I put up my Valentine decor. So I went with that one. I grabbed the 3 that I just showed you, but I just pulled this one out because I wanted you to see the top. Isn't that really, really adorable? I don't care for the smell of this one, but I definitely picked it up because I thought the 3 of them look really cute as a trio. This is the only one they had. This is like one of those Dollar Tree items I never thought I'd see in my area, but sure enough, even though it was the only one, it smells really, really good, and I just thought that'd be a cute little decoration to put out when, like, it's our birthdays. Well, my birthday's coming up, so it probably won't make it past my birthday, but I just thought that was really, really cute. And here's the inside of it. Almost looks like melted ice cream, doesn't it? Again, with these little felt stickers that I buy all the time, I don't even get to them. I buy them for DIYs, but I'm just too busy to ever get to them. But then I can't pass them up because then I'm afraid that when I ever do have the time or I want them, I won't be able to find them. So again, I caved and I got them. I did not expect to find this sign there. I was happy when I did, but I did not expect it to have like this yellow in it. All the hauls that I've seen, I didn't even notice. I'm gonna have to go back and look because I thought it was just all plain white, and I kind of wish that they did, but still, I mean, I definitely wanted it, so I grabbed it. The car is full of glitter right now with this sign. I know everybody's going crazy over it. I mean, I think this has been around, this kind of little detail for the last like 2 or 3 years in all the stores. Maybe not Dollar Tree, but the craft stores. And to me, like, this is so easy to make. But I mean, for the $1, I just got it. And then I saw this, and this is not something I normally would pick up. I'm not really a big fan of like whatever this is. I don't know. When I was growing up, all the decorations were made of that. And I kind of just got sick of looking at it throughout my life. But I just thought this was super adorable with like the eggs in it. And I thought like it would be such a cute display. So that makes it okay for me. These are quite interesting. They have the white and red filling. And they are, of course, the Junior Mints. And they're in heart shaped, and I'm not even a big fan of Junior Mints, but I could not resist the heart shape and they being red, so I was sold. They have these in the 6-pack, but found these in the bonus 8-pack, so picked those up for my son. Didn't think I'd see these either. They're a 4-pack, and I think that is a really great deal. And my son is all about mints right now, so I think he's going to really appreciate this orange flavor. Getting pretty windy out here. I just wanted to say that was the end of my haul. First time back in 2018. Dollar Tree did not disappoint. And a big shout out to you, John. Bye!